Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to get unbanned from Wizz app 2023. To start, open and locate your settings application on your mobile phone and then click on apps. Once you're in apps, search for Wizz. All you gotta do is type in WIZZ. Once you get that, open Wizz. And now you're on the Wizz window. All you gotta do right now is click on Force Stop. And then go to storage. In storage, clear the cache, and then don't forget to clear the data as well. Once done, you can now close settings, and then go to your VPN provider. In this example, I'll be using Super VPN. Wait for it to load. Alright, now I'm inside Super VPN, and then I'm gonna connect on Super VPN. Alright, I'm waiting for it to connect. Hang with me here for a second. Alright, I'm now connected. I will now close my Super VPN and open Wizz. And that should fix it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.